Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change Mini Cooper light color. First, understand that your Mini offers various ways to personalize its lighting. You can easily adjust the interior ambient lighting through the infotainment system, choosing from a spectrum of colors to match your mood. For exterior lights, some models allow minor adjustments, while more significant changes often involve aftermarket parts. Always check local laws before modifying exterior lights. To change your interior ambient lighting, begin by accessing the main menu on your Mini central display. Look for the Settings icon, then navigate to the Interior Lighting or Ambient Lighting section. Here, you'll find a range of colors to choose from, allowing you to personalize the cabin's atmosphere. You can also adjust the brightness to create the perfect ambience for any drive. For exterior lights, your Mini might offer limited in-car options, often for daytime running lights or welcome sequences. More significant color changes, like for headlights or taillights, typically involve aftermarket LED kits. These can provide a wider spectrum of colors and effects. Always prioritize safety and legal compliance, ensuring any new lights are properly installed and visible. When making light changes, especially for exterior components, you might need basic tools like a trim removal kit or screwdrivers. Always consult your Mini owner's manual for specific bulb types and locations. If you're unsure about any electrical work, it's best to seek assistance from a qualified mechanic. Safety is paramount, so take your time and follow all instructions carefully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.